Difference between Copilot PCs versus normal PCs. With the rise of artificial intelligence, Microsoft introduced Copilot PCs, a new category of Windows computers built specifically to handle AI tasks more efficiently than traditional or normal PCs. Copilot PCs stand out because they come with a neural processing unit, NPU, in addition to the usual CPU and GPU. This NPU handles tasks like real-time translations, AI-powered editing, and Microsoft's new recall feature, all on device, with no internet required. Normal PCs, on the other hand, lack an NPU and depend on cloud services for running AI tasks. They are great for regular tasks like web browsing, media, and office work, but aren't equipped to handle AI functions as smoothly or efficiently as Copilot PCs. In summary, Copilot PCs are AI-first, performance-driven machines for the modern user, while normal PCs remain standard computing devices suited for basic to moderate tasks. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.